All right. Jad Maucci with Tour Trivia.
Okay, hey everybody. My name is Jad, and this app is called Tour Trivia, and it's actually not an app, it's a mobile web. So you can all actually go to tourtrivia.com if you want to take the demo with or without me, but I'm going to reload it right here, and it's going to pop up. And basically what this concept is, it's a tour guide plus trivia. So it makes a more engaging experience as you're going around and seeing all the various sites in Las Vegas. So you've got the Vegas Strip, you've got famous homicides, Valley of Fire, pawn shops, Red Rock Canyon, celebrity sightings, but we have a coffee-themed tour that we're going to take today. So I hit that, and it's going to pop up with a little tour, and once it loads all the pictures, so learn how coffee gets to Vegas and answer trivia along the way. And for those of you who are trying on your own phone, you can see that you've got pictures. You know, this is what unpicked coffee beans look like, and you can swipe, and now there's some trivia. So I take that, and okay, well actually the right answer is red. Ripe coffee cherries look red. And so you can see that there are different questions that you can answer, and they're interspersed in with the guide pieces. So overall, the concept is to try and make this a really engaging experience as you're discovering a new city. You have some level of interaction with the tour. And then of course it would be very interesting to the people in the city, maybe the venues. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end here. The last slide is which Las Vegas indie coffee shop is your favorite. Now it would be probably pretty interesting to that coffee shop what the people had to say and who's guessing right with the coffee-themed tours. And so that information, that data could be very valuable to somebody. And so I also
30 seconds.
was able to implement this as a Windows 8 app. And so you can see it's the same kind of an experience, and if I click on the coffee tour and it pops up and you can get started. It's a little tough to see, but you're going to have to use your imagination. Anyway, so thank you very much. That's Tour Trivia, Tour Guide to Trivia.
All right. Thank you, Jad.